Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6 is an enduring masterpiece of American muscle, blending sharp design cues with modern flair. Its exterior flaunts sleek, angular lines that seamlessly merge retro styling with contemporary aesthetics. Signature quad exhaust tips and aggressive front grills accentuate its bold presence, capturing attention wherever it roars. Inside, the Corvette C6 offers a refined yet sporty cabin. Premium materials like leather and carbon fiber give it a luxurious touch, while the well-bolstered seats cradle you in comfort. The cockpit design immerses the driver, delivering a racecar-like experience with intuitive controls and a digital dashboard. Under the hood, a beastly V8 engine delivers jaw-dropping performance, pushing the C6 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The 495 horsepower engine roars with authority, offering both thrilling acceleration and the distinctive Corvette growl. Paired with a responsive 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the C6 provides seamless shifts and a dynamic driving experience. Handling is precise, with magnetic ride control adapting to any road surface for both track-ready precision and smooth cruising. The adaptive suspension, low center of gravity, and wide tires make it an agile performer in corners. Infotainment includes an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system that fills the cabin with rich, immersive sound. Practicality isn't forgotten, as the Corvette's surprisingly spacious trunk provides ample room for weekend luggage. Fuel efficiency remains respectable for a high-performance car, offering up to 24 mpg highway. Safety features include forward collision warning, rear cross-traffic alerts, and lane-keeping assist. With a starting price of around $65,000, the C6 delivers exceptional value for its performance, luxury, and technology.